My name is Ciso Macia, and I am an emeritus professor at Arizona State University. My main area of research is pulmonary mechanics. I am involved with the development of non-invasive testing procedures and equipment to assess the health status of the lungs. This morning, I have the special honor of introducing Dr. Stephen Barr, a theoretical physicist who has contributed to multiple fields, including particle physics, cosmology, which is a branch of astronomy focused on the origin and evolution of the universe. He is one of the proposers of the Nelson Bar mechanism. Stephen taught at the University of Delaware for over 30 years and is also the president of the Society of Catholic Scientists.
Until my recent retirement, I spent over 40 years doing research in theoretical physics. I also am a believing Catholic, and in 2016, I helped to found an organization called the Society of Catholic Scientists, of which I'm the first president. Both my Christian faith and my interest in science began when I was very young. I was baptized as a baby and raised in the Catholic faith. My parents brought me to Christ as a child, and I've remained faithful to him, or have tried to, ever since. There was never a time in my life when I doubted the existence of God or that Jesus Christ is the Son of God. Even when I was a child, I had a powerful sense that the world itself is a great mystery and a kind of a miracle. I'd look around and think to myself, why does all this exist? Why is there a world at all? There must be a creator. And also from childhood, it was always clear to me that Jesus Christ was more than just a man like other men. Every Sunday at Mass, I would hear the readings from the Gospels, and the figure of Christ and his words made a deep impression on my heart and mind. I had the same reaction as the centurion. Surely, this man was the Son of God. My love for science and for mathematics also came early. In the second grade, I was already called the absent-minded professor by my classmates. When my brothers were out in the park playing touch football, I would usually be curled up reading books of brain teasers and math puzzles. I never had the feeling that science and faith were at odds. Quite the opposite. For me, both are rooted in a sense of wonder and a conviction that the world makes sense and that there are ultimate answers. But while I have never had any doubts about the basics, there were many details of Christian belief that puzzled me or gave me intellectual difficulty or raised questions in my mind. So I did a lot of thinking and reading over the years and the decades. And I gave a lot of thought to how the things we know by faith and how the things we know through science fit together. That eventually led me to do a lot of speaking and writing on the subject, and eventually also led me to found the Society of Catholic Scientists. Looking back, I think this is where God has been leading me all along.